Hello everyone, my name is Larry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cook seafood tray party size. Alright. Here I have a list of ingredients, but I'll go over in a second. So I have frozen crawfish, corn, lemongrass, baby potatoes, Old Bay seasoning, garlic, sausage, and butter. Last but not least, I have head-on shrimp. So for the corn, just cut how you like to eat it. Same thing with the sausage. Next item is lemongrass. We don't use the top. Just flatten and cut in half. This item just for flavor. Let's put everything in the pot with a quarter quart of white wine, quarter quart of coconut soda, Old Bay seasoning, and crawfish. Steam on medium heat for 20 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and leave the crawfish separate on the side. We don't waste the broth, but keep it for the next step. Keep everything but lemongrass. You may wonder where's all the shrimp. Well, it's really easy to overcook. So I use all the broth that we saved earlier and cook it on high heat for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, leave the shrimp on the side and keep the broth to making sauce. Now let's make the sauce. Add oil, garlic, and butter with Old Bay seasoning. Use that sauce that you saved earlier and use the rest of the garlic. Turn off the heat and pour in a bowl. So I repeat this step twice for big tray. Okay, for final step, let's drop some crawfish, shrimp, corn, and potatoes. Don't forget the sausage. For sauce, we use 2 cooking spoons of butter sauce we cooked earlier. And start mixing around on high heat for about 2 minutes. After that, lower the heat to medium and top with the lid for another 5 minutes. Turn back to high heat and remove the lid. And mixing around before you turn off the heat. Turn off the heat and pour everything on the tray. And that is how you make seafood party tray. My name is Larry. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you new here, consider subscribe, and I'll see you next time.